Well, good morning. Today is all about Dottie because Dottie is 9 years old today. It's Dottie's birthday. And Dottie gets to do whatever she wants today. And right now, it's sniffing. So you might have noticed I celebrated Dottie's birthday over the winter. And I since found out that her date of birth I was using was wrong. I found the correct one. And it is definitely May 4th. May the 4th be with you, Dottie. Come on. She's in pretty good health. We're trying to get her weight down about another 2 pounds to get to ideal weight, which would be great. Because she does have she has a class 2 heart murmur that she's had for a couple of years. It's probably congenital. And one of the main things is that she eat healthy, get exercise, and be at a fit weight. And that fit weight is 27 pounds. And I believe right now we're at 29 pounds, right, Dottie? And we all know this stance, right? And Dottie is an adult. Dottie's my third dog. My first one was Collar, who was a Australian Shepherd that was the offspring of my brother's dog in Idaho. I went to visit, and the dog had a litter, and Collar would follow me around wherever I went. And my brother's wife said, "Well, you have to take him home with you." I said, "I can't do that." She goes, "Yes, you can." And she made all the arrangements, and I lived in Virginia at the time. And come on, pup, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Well, you want to sniff a little more? That's okay. So anyway, she shipped Collar to me via United Airlines. And Collar was with me for about 14 years. And after Collar passed, I went and got a rescue, a Springer Spaniel named Sadie. And Sadie was with me for, again, about 14 years. And as soon as Sadie passed, I went to another rescue. And Dottie found me, right, Dottie? So Dottie's my third dog. One of the differences I'm doing with Dottie that I hadn't done with my other dogs is the way I feed Dottie. Can we go this way? Any chance? Any chance of walking this way? It's really windy. Come on. Want to go in the house? Go on. Wait.